Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Monday the 10th of November. Okay, quite week ahead in terms of news, and we should be down to the technicals. There is a bank holiday tomorrow, so we'll see how things run today. As I say, no news, nothing in the way of news. I'm just looking at Euro from Friday. Quite a strong up bar in the end, had quite a reversal. It's currently run into its weekly pivot, and it's got pretty close to this trend line. A break of this trend line may suggest a push up to that 4 hourly 50. At the moment, though, I'm looking very much down to the downside and the potential for it to get back towards its daily pivot, which is sitting around about that 124.73 area or 70 area. So let's just check that was right. 124.25 even. Get the right number. So that's the sort of area I'm expecting it to maybe get down to. It's just broken what is clear on other charts. There's a bit of a trend that's been running across the top here. So it's just broken that trend line. So I'm just waiting to see what it does here, but would look for potential shorts down towards that daily pivot. As I say, a break of the highs though, if we manage to break these prior highs in this trend line that's running across the top here, all things will be changing and I'll be looking on the bullish side. Had a decent move up, as I say, through the last part of Friday and into the Asian session, so yeah, expecting it just to roll over a little bit at the moment. Once it's around the area, plenty of support around the area, so we'll see what actually happens from there. But at the moment, as I say, a bit of weakness potentially this morning. Looking at cable, similarish picture in terms of decent reversal on Friday. In fact, from the 4 hourlies, it looks very bullish. It did get a continuation, and we've seen a continuation since then. Again, running to the monthly pivot, the 4 hourly 21s just providing a bit of resistance at the moment. Once again, trend line wise, I'd be looking at the trend that's running through here. It may be when this candle's finished, I'll be putting a trend across here and for more aggressive long view. But at the moment, it's looking with the daily pivot below us like it could come back to that 158.49 area. Of course, plenty of support, but looking at the hourly 50, still pointing downwards, so relatively on the weaker side at the moment. But again, as with the euro, we've got a trend line that's sitting across the lows here. It's just broken a short while ago, something like that. It's not quite there. There we go. Pop it in the right place. There we go. So which is broken. So so as I say, potential move to the downside there as well. Okay, looking at dollar yen finally. Okay, right. Quite a retracement on Friday again. Seeing it coming down to some prior lows here, but a support into the weekly pivot. So it's a bit of an inverted euro and pound in a sense. Nicely correlated this morning. Again, there's the potential for it to rally up towards that 114.78 area, and that somewhere in that region, 79. Subject to what we're doing here, hasn't quite broken. It's sort of shorter term trends that's sort of sitting across maybe here at the moment, somewhere in that region. It's just come back to, actually, sorry, it probably did break the original trend that was sitting there, so marginal, but just running into a bit of resistance at the moment. But any sort of, I've really been looking for buying signals into back towards that daily pivot for now at least. Okay, so really relatively in summary bearish looking on the pound euro at the moment, although that could change as we come to midday once those daily pivots are out of the way. And then a little bit bullish on the dollar yen until we push up and get that daily pivot. That's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.